Hi, AP Scholars. This is Mrs. McGeehan here with a little tip that might help you as you complete some of the multiple choice sets in AP Classroom. I'm not sure if my screen looks exactly as yours would as you're taking the multiple choice set or you're completing the multiple choice set, but I did want to show you one trick that has helped me along the way. So I'm here in our Who Speaks for the Lazy multiple choice set for this week. And I'm on question 3, which reads, in the fifth paragraph, the author suggests that the truest answer. And so what you have to do first is obviously find the fifth paragraph. So these are not numbered. You simply have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a few of you commented in the last set that you had a hard time finding or finding the passage or the point of the passage that the question was referencing, or understanding the question fully because you couldn't find the part of the passage that was being referenced. So one quick trick to help you with this is to use Control Find or Control F on your keyboard. I've showed you this in other contexts before. But when you do that, it pops up your search bar up here at the top of your screen, and you can type in what you're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking for the author suggests that the truest answer. So I want to look for part of the quotation, and that will take me directly to that quotation in the passage where it exists. That way I can go back and read the full complete sentence in which that section is found. And I can also read a little bit before and a little bit after to get the full context of this snippet, and then to hopefully have a fuller answer for or fuller understanding of the question being asked. Thanks, everyone.